get all sorts of stuff to do here. This is a screw that wasn't intended for this gun. The customer would like to have fit to it. We don't have a spare screw here for this rifle. So we're gonna throw it into the lathe, turn the shoulder, see what else we can do to get that to fit right for him. We're all set up to start cutting. I cheated. I went into the DRO and I put the outside diameter of our screw head 367 thousandths and just kissed it with a cutting bit. And so now we know we can turn it down to 308 thousandths and it should fit in our screw hole. We removed it just about a thousandths under what we have for a measurement. And let's go give it a try. One more rotation. Perfect. That will work. All right, last thing we're gonna do is clean this off with denatured alcohol. We're gonna give it a little dip in the Brownell's Oxford Blue. This works pretty well for just giving some protection to the screws. I know this isn't how the instructions say to apply it, but it works pretty good. Let that sit for a second. I'll rub it off. And then give it a coat of Blistol. Hey Rosie, do you ever move from that spot? Oh, look at that. Say hi to everybody.